Welcome to Extra Income Quest, where I explore innovative ways to make money online using free AI tools and zero initial investment. In today's video, we will look into the exciting world of leveraging artificial intelligence to generate a passive income of $500 per day. Yes, you heard that right, $500 a day without spending a dime up front. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around as we show the secrets behind this lucrative opportunity. Using AI tools to make money online without any initial investment may sound futuristic, but it's very much a reality in today's digital age. With advancements in technology, AI has become more accessible and user-friendly, opening up a world of possibilities for aspiring entrepreneurs and online enthusiasts. Imagine waking up each morning to find your bank account filled with earnings from automated AI-driven strategies. The potential of earning $500 per day through the methods we are about to share is not just a dream, but a tangible goal you can achieve with dedication and the right tools at your disposal. What sets this video apart is the simplicity and effectiveness of the strategies I will discuss. I understand that not everyone is a tech wizard or a financial guru, which is why I have curated easy-to-follow methods that anyone, regardless of their background or experience, can implement successfully. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent looking to supplement your income, a student aiming to pay off your tuition fees, or simply someone who wants to explore new avenues of earning money online, this video is tailored to your needs. I believe that financial freedom should be within reach for everyone, and with the power of AI tools, that dream can become a reality sooner than you think. So, grab a pen and paper, get comfortable, and get ready to start your journey towards financial independence using free AI tools and no initial investment. Let's go. Understanding AI tools for online earning in today's digital landscape, integrating artificial intelligence or AI tools has revolutionized online earning opportunities. From chatbots to content generators and data analysis tools, a plethora of free AI resources are available that can generate income without any initial investment. Let's explore how these AI tools can pave the way for a lucrative online venture. Chatbots are among the most popular AI tools used in online businesses to streamline customer interactions and enhance user experience. These intelligent virtual assistants can handle customer queries, provide personalized recommendations, and even facilitate transactions, all without human intervention. By integrating chatbots into your website or social media platforms, you can automate customer support, drive engagement, and ultimately increase sales, leading to a steady stream of revenue. Content generators are another invaluable AI tool that can be leveraged to create high-quality SEO-optimized content at scale. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions, content generators can produce relevant and engaging content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. By automating the content creation process, you can focus on other aspects of your online business while ensuring a consistent flow of fresh and compelling content to attract and retain your audience. Data analysis tools powered by AI algorithms can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and performance metrics, enabling you to make informed decisions and optimize your online earning strategies. By harnessing the power of data analytics, you can identify growth opportunities, fine-tune your marketing campaigns, and maximize your revenue potential. The advantages of using AI tools in online money-making ventures are manifold. These tools save time and resources by automating repetitive tasks, enhance efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. By leveraging AI tools, you can stay ahead of the competition, adapt to changing market dynamics, and unlock new revenue streams previously untapped. So, why wait? Start exploring the world of AI tools today and begin on a journey towards financial success in the digital realm. Implementing no investment strategies. To achieve the ambitious goal of making $500 per day using free AI tools and no initial investment, implementing actionable strategies is key. In this section, we will look into proven methods such as affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and online freelancing that require zero financial risk but have the potential to yield significant returns. Affiliate marketing is a popular online earning strategy that involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. By joining affiliate programs of reputable brands in your niche, you can leverage your online presence, social media platforms, or website to drive traffic and conversions, all without investing a single penny. With the right marketing tactics and audience targeting, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of passive income that steadily contributes to your $500 daily goal. Dropshipping is another no-investment strategy that allows you to sell products to customers without holding any inventory or managing shipping logistics. By partnering with dropshipping suppliers, you can list their products on your online store, market them to potential buyers, and earn a profit on each sale without the hassle of upfront costs or inventory management. With the scalability and flexibility of dropshipping, you can start small, test different products and niches, and gradually scale your business to reach your income targets. Online freelancing offers a versatile and accessible avenue for earning money without any initial investment. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a platform to showcase your talents, connect with clients, and secure paid projects. By offering your services on these platforms, you can build a portfolio, establish a reputation, and attract high-paying clients to boost your daily earnings. To optimize these no-investment strategies for maximum profitability, focus on niche selection, audience targeting, and continuous learning and improvement. Identify lucrative niches with high demand and low competition, tailor your marketing efforts to reach your target audience effectively, and constantly refine your strategies based on performance data and feedback. By staying proactive, adaptable, and persistent, you can unlock the full potential of these strategies and inch closer to your $500 daily income goal. Maximizing earnings and scaling up. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards achieving your $500 daily income goal through the strategic combination of AI tools and no-investment strategies. In this section, I will guide you on how to maximize your daily earnings and scale up your online income by leveraging the power of automation, diversification, and continuous optimization. One key tip for maximizing your earnings beyond the $500 per day mark is to diversify your income streams. While affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and online freelancing are excellent starting points, exploring additional revenue sources can help you achieve greater financial stability and growth. Consider branching out into new niches, launching digital products or courses, or offering premium services to cater to a wider audience and increase your overall earnings potential. Monitoring performance metrics is crucial for tracking the effectiveness of your strategies and identifying areas for improvement. By analyzing key metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and customer acquisition costs, you can gain valuable insights into the performance of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your earning potential. Regularly review your performance data, experiment with different approaches, and adjust your strategies based on what works best for your audience and goals. As you strive to scale up your online income, explore advanced techniques and tools that can help you achieve exponential growth. Consider investing in AI-powered automation tools that can streamline your workflows, enhance customer interactions, and drive conversions at scale. Explore advanced marketing strategies such as retargeting, email marketing automation, and personalized content recommendations to engage your audience and maximize your revenue streams. Remember, success in the online earning space is not just about working harder, but working smarter. By embracing innovation, staying adaptable, and continuously seeking ways to optimize and scale your income-generating efforts, you can unlock new levels of financial success and reach your $509 daily income goal with confidence and determination. Keep pushing the boundaries, stay focused on your objectives, and watch your online income soar to new heights. Case studies and success stories. Let's look into real-life case studies and success stories of individuals who have turned their online earning dreams into reality by harnessing the power of AI tools and no-investment strategies. These inspiring examples showcase the potential results and demonstrate how anyone can achieve financial success with dedication, creativity, and the right tools. Meet Mary, a stay-at-home mom who decided to explore affiliate marketing to supplement her family's income. By leveraging her social media following and partnering with reputable brands in the parenting niche, Mary generated a steady stream of passive income through affiliate commissions. Despite initial challenges in building her audience and optimizing her marketing strategies, Mary's persistence paid off, and she now earns an average of $500 per day through her affiliate partnerships. Her journey serves as a testament to the realistic possibilities of earning a substantial income online with the right approach and mindset. Mark, a recent college graduate with a passion for e-commerce, ventured into dropshipping to kickstart his entrepreneurial journey. Through careful product selection, targeted marketing campaigns, and strategic pricing strategies, Mark built a profitable dropshipping business from scratch without any upfront investment. Despite encountering hurdles such as inventory management and customer service issues, Mark's commitment to learning and adapting led to significant growth in his online income. Today, Mark consistently exceeds the $500 daily income mark and continues to scale his business to new heights. These case studies exemplify the transformative power of AI tools and no-investment strategies for unlocking financial success online. By showcasing the journeys, challenges faced, and outcomes of individuals who have achieved their income goals, I aim to inspire and motivate viewers to pursue their online earning aspirations with confidence and determination. The road to $500 per day may not be easy, but with the right mindset, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks, anyone can turn their online earning dreams into a thriving reality. As we come to the end of this video on making $500 per day, using free AI tools and no initial investment, let's recap the key points covered and empower you to take action towards achieving your financial goals. By leveraging AI tools and no investment strategies, you can unlock a world of online income opportunities and pave the way for a lucrative and sustainable source of revenue. Throughout this video, I have emphasized the importance of using AI tools such as chatbots, content generators, and data analysis tools, as well as strategies like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and online freelancing to create passive income streams without the need for upfront capital. These tools and methods have been proven to be effective in generating substantial earnings for individuals from diverse backgrounds and skill sets. Now is the time to put your newfound knowledge into practice and start implementing the strategies shared in this video to work towards your $500 daily income goal. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur, a side hustler, or someone looking to supplement your existing income, the opportunities in the online earning space are endless, and success is within reach for those who are willing to take action and persist in their efforts. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with others who may benefit from this valuable information, and explore more of our content for continued learning and success in your online earning journey. Remember, financial freedom is attainable with the right tools, mindset, and determination. So seize the opportunity, believe the possibilities, and start on a path towards a brighter and more prosperous future. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you thrive in your online income endeavors.